for last 20 years. My whole family comes to Dr. Guri. We are very much satisfied with him.
Marvelous service. Process was so smooth, so smooth. They were very professional and very patient.
Excellent treatment by Dr. Manish Guri and Dr. Avni Guri. Now I think I'll be able to save my two teeth here. So a job very well done and highly recommended.
डॉक्टरांचा हात इतका चांगला आहे की तुम्हाला कळत पण नाही की त्यांनी काय केलंय. मी जेव्हापासून इकडे येतोय तेव्हापासून त्याच सगळ्या लेडी स्टाफ.
But it's like original, my teeth only. You can see like this completely fine. I'm so happy.
It was an amazing experience. I could see the results right now. After the treatment, I can feel that my teeth have been whitened and I love it here.
मैं डॉक्टर मनीष टी गुरी टूथ एंड स्माइल क्लिनिक के यहाँ से कितने सालों से ट्रीटमेंट ले रहा हूँ. मैंने अभी